What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing one of the things that a lot of people forget to replace when they lift their third gen Tundras. This will include 2022 and up. So this vehicle here, this has 37-inch tires by 12.5 by 18s. So a very large tire, but to be able to fit that, the vehicle needs a lift. So over here, we have the suspension lift kit here. We use the King shocks paired with the Total Chaos upper control arms. The King shocks provided us with enough lift so we can fit the 37-inch tires. We also made the necessary trimming to fit that in the front and in the back. And then the one thing that everybody forgets is going to be the axles. So if you have a Tundra that is not a TRD off-road, it will most likely come with black axles. And what I mean by that is the shaft on the axle itself will be black. On the driver's side here, we have installed the new red axles. These are an OEM part. This is actually something that Toyota recommends when they do their TRD lift kits on their Tundras. So this is something that not just us, but Toyota will recommend when you do a lift kit, whether that be a TRD lift kit, King shocks, whatever it is. If you're lifting it in general, they want you to use that. And the main reason for it is because the joints inside has more joints in it. So it'll allow for articulation when the whole wheel is turning itself. So that's something that I would highly recommend if you're looking to do a lift kit. So we are working on getting the passenger side off right now, but we have the new passenger side here with the driver's side old one. So this is the black one here. So you'll see a little bit of difference in sizing on this right here, this outer section where the yoke is. But I'll show you here, when you try to flex this too far, it'll lock up. So basically, if you're at full droop and you try to rotate your tires, it'll bind. And then, there's obviously not a wheel on here, but as you're turning it, it'll bind up and will break, could potentially break the yoke and bearings inside of there. But with the new one, you can really get at it, bend it all sorts of ways here, and it doesn't really bind up at all. And it'll just go right back to it. And what I believe in there is there's going to be more joints in there compared to this one, where this one will probably have only 4 compared to this one will probably have 6 or 8. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. This truck here is completely done, and those red axles is really going to help with the articulation of this truck and not going to have any binding issues with it now. That is going to be on road and off road. So that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.